students, how are you all? Welcome to 5th standard mathematics class, and we were studying chapter number 11, and the name of chapter is area and its boundaries. This is the second period of this class. In the previous class we have studied few questions of this chapter. In this chapter we were studying, let me give you some introduction. We were studying about the perimeter and area. Whenever we are studying about the border of any square or rectangle or triangle or any figure, whenever we are studying about the boundary, it means we have to apply the formula for perimeter. And whenever we are counting the area or we will calculating the area of any figure, we have to keep the formula for to find the inner area of that figure. Okay, so to find which piece is bigger, so what we were doing in this question, we were counting the number of boxes, and we will come to know that what is the width and length. By this way we can come to know what is the perimeter and area of this figure. In the same way, we have solved the question for this stamp, and we have also learned about its area. Okay, after that we have completed up to there, and then we were reached at the question. Last question we were done was that, and now we have reached here. My belt is longest. Take a thick paper sheet of length 14 centimeter and width 9 centimeter. You can also use an old postcard. Means we have to take one paper which is of the length must be 14 and width must be 9 centimeter. What is its area and what is its perimeter? So first we have to find the area, then perimeter. Okay, area of rectangle, figure for area of rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 14 and breadth is 9. So length into breadth means 14 into 9 means 126 square centimeter. And perimeter means the sum of all the length and breadth. In a rectangle there are two lengths and two breadth. So 2 times length means 14 and 14, and 2 times breadth means width means 9 plus 9. So 14 plus 9 plus 14 plus 9, the answer is 46 centimeter. Now cut strips of equal sizes out of it. Using tab, join the strips end to end and make a belt. How long is your belt? The solution is 84 centimeter. Now we have to cut this strip, and we have to, means this is a 46 centimeter, and then using it we have to make a strip. So you will get the belt of 84 centimeter, and its perimeter will be 90 centimeter. Whose belt is the longest in the class? Strip of the least width will make the longest belt in the class. Why did some of your friends get longer belts than others? Because they made belts from thinner strip than others. Is the area of your belt the same as the area of the postcard? Why or why not? Area of the belt of 3 centimeter wide strip is length into breadth. Length is 3 and breadth is 42, and total area is 126. Because the formula for area is length into breadth. What will you do to get a longer belt next time? By making thinner belts, I can get the longer belt. So the next question of share the land. Try to solve this question by yourself as a homework, and try to look and if you have any doubt you can look the answers in this PDF, and you can get the answer. Okay, so that you can solve by yourself. Now try to solve this. Look at the table. If you were to write the area of each of this, which column would you choose? Okay, for example, handkerchief. Handkerchief will be in centimeter, meter, or kilometer square. Centimeter, square meter, or square kilometer. Obviously, handkerchief will be in centimeter. In such a way, if you have to choose for sari, sari is always in meter. Page of our book is in centimeter. School land it comes in the meter. Total land of the city means entire city is in kilometer. Door of our classroom comes in meter. Chair seat comes in centimeter. Blackboard comes in meter. Indian flag can be there in centimeter, and land over which a river flows it comes in the kilometer. Draw a square of 9 square centimeter means one square which is of 9 square centimeter. Write A on it. Draw another square with double side. Write B on it. Okay, so this is of 9 square centimeter. You have to total see the 9 squares, and double of that we have to make, and we have to write the B inside it. So the perimeter of the square A is, so what will be the perimeter of A? The perimeter of square A will be 12 centimeter. Why? Because we are making 9, so 3 here and 3 here, 3 centimeter length and 3 breadth. Okay, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, adding 3 4 times. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 means 12 centimeter. That will be the square centimeter of perimeter of square A. For square B, double of 9, 9 plus double means 18. To make it 18, okay, so what will be the B? One side 6 6 6 6. Okay, because double of 9 is 18, so it has to take the side of the square as 6. Why? Because here the side of the square is 3, so here double of this will be 6, because here 3 3 3 3, that's why it become 12. So here 6 6 6 6. Okay, so the side of square B will be 6 centimeter. And what will be the area of square B? Adding 6 4 times means length, side square, area of square means 6 multiply 6, so it will be 36 centimeter. And for the area of square B is dash times of square A. Okay, 4 times, because what is the area of square A? Square A is area of square A is 9 square centimeter, and 9 fours are 36, so that's why area of square B is 4 times the area of square B. What is the perimeter of square B? One side is 6, so adding 6 4 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. Adding 6 4 times. 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 6 18, 18 plus 6 24 centimeter. That's why the perimeter of square B is 24 centimeter. Perimeter of square B is dash times the perimeter of square A. So perimeter of square A is 12 centimeter, and perimeter of square B is 24 centimeter. It means 12 and 24. It is 24 is double of 12. That's why 2 times of the square A. Now save the birds. There are two beautiful lakes near a village. People come for boating and picnic in both the lakes. The village panchayat is worried that with the noise of the boats, the birds will stop coming. The panchayat wants motor boats only one lake. The other lake will be saved for the birds to make their nest. Okay, so how many centimeter is the length of the boundary of lake A in the drawing? Use thread to find out. Okay, so using the thread they can find out the boundary will be 30 centimeter. You can try it by yourself also. What is the length of boundary of leg B in the drawing? When we measure the boundary of leg B with the help of thread, it comes out to be 25 centimeter. How many kilometer long is the actual boundary of Lake A? 1 centimeter in the drawing means 1 kilometer on the ground. So it is 30 centimeter in the drawing. It means 30 kilometer on the ground. What is the actual boundary of leg B? By thread we got it 25 centimeter, right? So means 1 centimeter on the drawing. It means 1 kilometer on the ground. It means leg B is 25 kilometer. A longer boundary around the lake will help more birds to lay their eggs. So, which leg should be kept for birds? Which leg should be used for boats? The boundary around the lake A is more than the boundary around the lake B. So, leg A should be kept for birds and leg B should be used for boats. Understood? Which is the longer, that must be for boats. You can see in the figure also. Okay. Where we have reached F. Find the area of lake B on the drawing in square centimeter. What is its actual area in square kilometer? Lake B has 15 fully square and 11 half filled or more than half filled squares. Area of 15 fully squares equals to 15 into 15 means 2 to 5 square centimeter. For lake B, you can count how many are full square. This is known as full square. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so 11 are, you can see, 11 half filled are there and 15 fully filled squares are there. So for the area of fully filled squares means 2 to 5, and half filled, for the half filled we consider area of every single half or more than half filled square is 1 square centimeter. So 11 into 11 means 121. So 2 to 5 plus 1 to 1 means 346 square centimeter, and 1 centimeter on drawing means 1 kilometer on the ground. It means 346 square centimeter on the drawing. It means 346 kilometer on the ground. In the same way, this one more story is there, that is the story of the king, which we will see here. King's story. The king was very happy with the carpenters Chegu and Anar. They had made a very big and beautiful bed for him. So as gift, the king wanted to give him land to Chegu and some gold to Anar. King's story. Chegu was happy. He took 100 meters of wire and tried to make different rectangles. He made 10 meter into 14 meter rectangle. Its area is 400 meters. So he next made a 30 meter into 20 meter rectangle. What is its area? Is it more than the first rectangle? So the area of rectangle is we know rectangle means third length and breadth. This is third length and this is breadth. So 30 into 20 meter. So the area of the rectangle is 600 square meter. So it is greater than the first rectangle. Okay, which is the first rectangle. First is 10 into 40. So 10 into 40 is 400, and this 30 into 20 is 600. So 400 is less and 600 is greater. That's why first rectangle say bada hai second rectangle. What other rectangle can be made with 100 meter of wire? Discuss which of these rectangles will have the biggest area. Following rectangles are possible: 5 into 45, 15 into 35, and 15 into 25 square. The square will have the biggest area. Chegu's wife asked him to make a circle with wire. She knew it had an area of 800 square meter. Why did Chegu did not choose a rectangle? Because none of the rectangle will have area of 800 square meter. So Anar also tried many different ways to make a boundary for 800 square meter of land. He made rectangle of A, B, C of different size. Find out the length of the boundary of each. How much gold wire of this rectangle? So that we have to see first gold wire for A dash meter. So gold, what to find the area, length is 40 and width is 20. So area means length into breadth. So length, if we do length into breadth for wire A, it will become so 1. Length of the rectangle, it means if we have to find the wire. So wire, where is the wire? It's in the boundary. So for the boundary, it we have to add 2 times 40 and 2 times 20, it means 120. Now for wire B, okay, 80 meter and 10 meter. So length is 80 and width is 10. So uski boundary, its boundary we have to find. So 80 plus 80 and 10 plus 10, we get the answer is 180. In the same way we have to do for C and D also, and we will get their answer. So try to do that by yourself. Here we have ended our chapter, and and in this chapter we have seen all the sums related to perimeter and area. If you understand what is the difference between the perimeter and area of a square and rectangle, you can easily solve this chapter. Only keep in mind what is the formula for perimeter of rectangle, means length plus breadth plus length plus breadth, and perimeter for square means we have to add the what was the side 4 times. For example, 60 is the length of one side, so 60 plus 60 plus 60 plus 60. If we want to find the area for rectangle, we have to do length multiply breadth, and if you want to find the area of square, means side into side, means side square. For example, the length of the side is 60, so 60 into 60. And if we want to for rectangle, for example, length is 20 and the breadth is 30, so 20 into 30. So these two formulas are the most important which you have to study for this chapter. I hope you have understood this chapter and you have enjoyed this chapter. Try to complete this chapter in your notebooks as soon as possible. In the next class, we'll be meeting with a new chapter. Thank you for listening the class. Thank you.